Now, let's actually give more permissions on this data product. What I want to do is that even though I did not give finance or marketing the access to data product, but I want to collaborate with marketing on bringing a new data set in that data product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow marketing or another domain to actually add new data set in the data product without giving access to the existing data set. If you go to Customer 360 and look at the privileges, marketing still does not have access to the Customer 360. Marketing now gets access to Burstbank data product, but marketing still does not see any data set in that data product. Now let's use the query which was shared with marketing, which is Data Nova query, and use that query to create new data set in the Burstbank data product. So I'm going to create this as a view. You can create it as a table. If I go back to marketing, data products, and look at the Burstbank again, then you'll see marketing now actually can see one view which marketing just created. If I have this exactly same information, who are the contacts, who is the owner, if I go to the account admin, I can see two views there, because account admin, being the owner of data product, controls all the data sets and have visible to all the data sets being created there. Let's look at the Data Nova data set, which was just created by marketing. You see who is the owner here. The owner for that data set is marketing. Marketing was allowed to create a data set, which means that marketing has more context into why they created the data set. Galaxy automatically assigned the ownership to marketing because they were created that data set. As an owner now, marketing can share the data set. They may not share the full data product or have access to every data set, but they do have access to data set which they created. And as an owner, they can share that data set in the organization. Let's bring some context. You see the number of contexts they can add is they can add within from their own domain. Let's add a privilege to this data set. And they can only see two domains which are exposed to marketing, which is marketing or a global domain. Let's use the public to share this data set with everyone in the organization. If I go to public and look as finance, and I see now I have actually access to Data Nova data set. The owner of data product and the information of data product is exactly same with the context between Tom Nats and Vishal. The Customer 360, which was created by account admin, still has the ownership of account admin, with Jordan and Monica being contact. And Data Nova data set, which was created by marketing, has a different ownership, which is ownership of marketing, and there's a different contact who needs to be reached out if there are any questions for this data set.